Hello, people. So, I've just begun reading this book, which is called The 50 Greatest Horror Stories. And the interesting thing about this book is it's been edited, it's been brought together by uh, Terence O'Brien, who I believe is the father of Derek O'Brien. So, the kind of like these 50 short stories have been, there are these writers of the past, that is, right from Rudyard Kipling to Guy de Maupassant, to Washington Irving. So, their stories have been given here. But because it is anthology that spans, I think, a century, like stories that are gleaned from really a century. So the even the languages that very like old English, so you can barely understand anything. But this book has been brought out by Rupa, and it's you can find it on Amazon. It's called the 50 Greatest Horror Stories, and it is an interesting book to read. So it's already we crossed a 1 minute review. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.